Today we're going to do Clothing Care 101, and this is the brass and horsehair brush that we use to clean our fibers at the studio. This is fabulous to own if you have some of our cashmere sweaters or even regular cashmeres. You can see that it's horsehair around, or simulated horsehair around the edge, and then it has these beautiful brass bristles in the middle. This tool is fabulous for getting rid of pills, and it is very easy for the layman to use. So you don't have to have a lot of knowledge about fibers or sweaters or knits in order to use this, and we're going to show you how to do it. When you're using this brush, you want to use quick, short movements. Victoria likes to call that a scooping movement, but you can see as she's doing it, how it's really picking up all the fibers, whether you've had a moment with flour in the kitchen, whether you've been hugging your cat or dog, or you've been running about town and have pills in your underarm area. Pilling is actually a natural part of a wool and cashmere fiber. What it is the fiber, when it's abraded, it actually breaks off. And then those little particles collect on the surface and make a little fur ball. So these brushes help you stay clear from all of those unsightly things. It's usually here or here. Sometimes even pockets will do that as you're running around. You'll get abrasions in this area. So your sweaters are not bad. There is nothing wrong with the fiber. This is a great tool to have in your clothing care toolbox, and you don't have to have a lot of special knowledge. I do suggest that you don't think that you're scrubbing your pots or pans. You need to do it in the motion that you can see here that Victoria is doing. You want to do it along the grain of the fiber, and it's just quick, short movements, just like this. You're going to have a lot of luck with this brush. It is going to enable you to wear your sweaters over and over again. Please know that you need to avoid things with sequins or boucles or elements that are very textural or things with lots of threading on the top. This brush could pull those items, so it is best to be used with care in situations like that. We also don't advise using the tools with the razor blade because, as I mentioned before, those little pills, they're just broken fibers, and so you do not need to use a razor blade. The razor can actually damage the yarn underneath, so best to use a brush or one of the rakes that we have.